Find a lovely long, tall spine. And think about making some length through the sides of your neck as well, so we're not tipping the head back, not tipping it forwards, just a lovely long neck. Take a big inhale. Imagine you could breathe all the way down into your feet. How would you do that? Pretend that you could, inhaling all the way down into the feet. And as you exhale, just let go of anything that's been on your mind, anything that's been troubling you recently. We'll keep this deep breath going. As you inhale, bring your arms out nice and wide into a T. Maybe even press the arms back a little bit. As you exhale, we're coming into a hug. So right arm goes on top, right hand to left shoulder, left hand to right shoulder. You can just drop the head. Inhale here, really breathing into the space between the shoulder blades. Exhale, round the spine a little more. Inhale, open up, bring your arms out into a T. Press the arms back even more. And then exhale, hug on the other side. So left arm comes on top, left hand to right shoulder, right hand to left shoulder, drop the head. Inhale deeply into the space between the shoulder blades. Exhale, round the spine even more. Inhale, open the arms up into an even bigger T. See if you can press the hands back even more. Exhale, bring the hands together into prayer. Press the hands together a little bit to lift and open across the collarbones. You can inhale, sit up nice and tall. Exhale to soften the gaze or lower the gaze or close the eyes. Inhale here. Exhale to soften around the edges. Blink the eyes open. Thank you very much. Have a great day.